Good morning. All right. The final step in our fight for phones is to create our own video game in which your character needs to find the phone in order to save the day. So you're going to log into Flolab like you did yesterday and click New Game. We want to do an empty project and say OK. First things first, you can go to settings and name your game. So I'll call mine Fight for Phones. Okay. I can also make the game board larger. I'm going to do that. Make the width bigger and the height. Okay. The next step is I can set my background color to whatever I'd like. So I'm going to go to game levels and just change that color. I think I would like to be in the woods of Burncoat Park, being chased by a monster. Okay, so I'll make it green. You can click anywhere on the screen and select create. We want to add a background. So because I decided I want it to look like woodsy and outdoorsy, I want to edit this sprite. So I'm going to click edit sprite. There's a whole bunch you can choose from. If you go to browse, you have a bunch of different categories here. I want it to look like a town. Let's see. Okay, here are a bunch of different blocks. This one definitely looks like outdoorsy. If you just run your arrow key down the list, it'll scroll automatically. I like that. It's very rustic. Okay. So if you wanted to change anything, for instance, if I wanted to add more lime green, I can pick it from the right-hand menu and just make changes as I see necessary. And click OK. Rather than adding 1,000 of these little blocks, I'm just going to click on it and use the clone feature. And that way you can hold it down and drag to get as many as you'd like. Click done cloning. If there's any outside the range, you can just click it again and delete it. Okay, now I want to add my character. So I'm going to say create again. And this time when I go to my sprites and I browse, I'm going to select the list of characters. There's a lot of different ones here. You can change it so that it looks like yourself. For example, this girl has brown hair, but my hair is more like this color, so I can make some changes so that she looks like me. Beautiful. All right, I want her to be able to do something, so I'm going to go to behaviors. You'll find all of these behavior bundles here, like run and jump. If you want to see what this all entails, you can actually open the bundle. Here's all the coding that they did for you so that I can see when I hit the left arrow, she'll move left. When I hit the right arrow, she'll move to the right. If I want her to jump, I should be able to hit up, etc. So I'm going to click OK. And now I will try it out. I'm going to play my game. Whoa, there she goes. Woohoo! She's lost in Burncoat Park. From there, you can add more game elements so that it fits the narrative, the story of your game. Make sure that there's a phone somewhere that she's retrieving in order to save the day. Good luck.